In this era, who is successful? Go through the people who live in your surroundings. They're going to change their abilities into possibilities. There are countless struggles behind this process, but when those who face incredible outcomes of their possibilities, a person becomes successful mentally, physically, and virtually in life. The title is for our youth, and as you know, the last tutorial was about the best e-commerce platform. If you missed that, you can go watch it now. The link is available in the description box down below. But to get to the point, what is Shopify? How does it work? And why should we choose it? Now, let's carry on. So, what is Shopify? Small businesses may create an online store and sell products online using Shopify's user-friendly e-commerce platform, which has a streamlined interface. Sellers on Shopify can create a cutting-edge online store and sell on social media platforms, seller marketplaces, other blogs and websites, and via email, text, and chat. But how does Shopify work? Well, Shopify unifies every aspect of your company on a single platform. Entrepreneurs may build and customize an online store using Shopify, then market their goods through social media, online marketplaces, pop-up stores, the web, mobile, in-person, brick-and-mortar locations, and other channels. You can access Shopify from any connected and compatible device because it is hosted in the cloud, and we'll take care of all software and server maintenance just for you. Using this, you may manage and access your company from any location with an internet connection. A business that deals with products, inventory, payments, and deliveries every day needs a range of tools, and it expends a lot of time and money integrating the many systems and data. Shopify claims that by combining these technologies, you can easily access and integrate any additional business tools you would need to make Shopify work for your business. So, why Shopify? A well-known e-commerce platform called Shopify includes every feature you could need or want for your online store. This secure e-commerce platform serves as a full-featured package for your online store and enables you to easily construct a variety of pages using a built-in online editor, sell goods locally by integrating local language support, and customize online stores. Because of certain characteristics, Shopify is the best e-commerce platform, and here are more reasons why you should choose Shopify. Number 1 is that it has inbuilt marketing tools. Shopify has built-in marketing solutions that lower launch costs. It allows you to create unique URLs, meta descriptions, and page titles. Additionally, pages can be made visible or invisible and redirected as necessary. Number 2, commendable technical support. Some technological assistance will be needed to operate an online store with an e-commerce shopping cart, so you can contact customer service anytime a problem arises since Shopify provides round-the-clock technical support. They'll pick up the phone or help you via live chat. And lastly, number 3, it has advanced functionality. Shopify provides you with advanced features through a platform that functions like a plugin or application that allows you to download, install, and customize the website, along with the instruments for increasing sales and social media promotions. Now for the bottom line, when it comes to usability and easy integration with sales channels, Shopify is practically unrivaled among e-commerce platforms. Shopify's huge selling options and essential business management capabilities outweigh its minor downsides, such as its simple blogging features, restricted store personalization, and minimal SEO tools. Now do it and make your people understand carefully. Like this beneficial video and subscribe to our channel for more motivational updates. Have a glorious day everyone, and we'll see you later. Goodbye!